We are here again. I am Rupinder Singh. We are discussing the second question from page number 176, that is based on the refractive index of few medium. Now we have to find out from the table. Table is given in your books, and you need to remember only few values which I have mentioned on the board. You can remember these values. These are more than enough values. It is being given in this question. You have to find the medium which is having the highest and the medium which is having the optical densities. But with respect to this, we will be discussing few things also along with this thing, that how refractive index and optical densities are having a connection, and how the speed of light is having connection with the optical density. Let us first mark the least value of refractive index. It is the least, or you can say the lowest. Over here it is the highest value. Now, as if we have marked both the values, as we move from air to diamond, the refractive index will increase. What will increase? Refractive index. It will increase. Along with that, optical densities also increase. Optical densities also increase. If we say it is highest for diamond and least for the air, just like the refractive index, but the speed of light is having the reverse relationship. Speed of light is highest in case of air and least in case of diamond. So with this question, few things are being discussed. One is refractive index, that is air is having the least refractive index and having a value 1.0003, that is the least value of the refractive index. Air is having that, and diamond is having the most highest value of the refractive index of the substances known till date. And with the increase in refractive index, optical density is also increasing, but the speed of light is having the inverse relationship with respect to the refractive indexes. Now the question was medium having highest optical density, we will say it as diamond, having refractive index 2.42, and lowest optical density is air, having refractive index 1.003. Hope you must have understand this question. Thank you.